Hey, basket family, basket makers. I just wanted y'all to see CVS is now 75% on all their plush animals. All the Valentine's Day stuff, actually. Let's see. These were originally $9.99. They're $2.50. These were $14.99, $3.75. These are $3.75. The candles, $3.99. They were $15.99. These are $3.99. Those are cute. And there's a lot of them. They were $12.99. They're $3.25. And the same with these and those. $3.75. Alright, I just thought I would share that with you. Now CVS doesn't go no higher than 75%. So if you want it, have to get it now. And there's a lot of stuff left. I actually got mine last week from the other CVS because he thought it was going on sale last Monday. But they did go today, 75% off. And I got some big ones. Now the robes I've been watching, they're not going on sale yet. I see some slippers, $14.99, which are now $11.24. And that says clearance. They're Christmas, $11.24. Alright. And these are $14.99. They were $19.99. Table runners, $2.50. I might get a couple of those. Alright, you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye. And these smell so good. I don't know if I want to pay $3.99 for them. That's a ton of them. Alright, talk to you soon. Bye. These were at CVS. I did end up getting a couple more. And these are the ones I got from last week. They were $6.99. Big pillows. Alright. CVS, 75% off. Talk to you soon. Bye.